Welcome back to Tech by Pike. Today we're talking about the new Asus ROG Zephyrus 16-inch gaming laptop. This laptop comes with the new 12th Gen i9-12900H processor. That's 14 cores and 20 threads. Comes with the RTX 3070 Ti. That's 8 gigabytes of GDDR6 at 100 watts and 120 watts with Dynamic Boost 2.0. It comes with a MUX switch as well. We're really looking forward to checking that out. Comes with the 16-inch WQXGA 165 Hertz display at a 500 nits brightness. It also has 16 gigabytes of DDR5 dual channel memory, 1 terabyte PCIe Gen4 SSD, and then a Wi-Fi 6E card. A couple other things too. This has a single zone RGB backlighting for the keyboard and also a 720p camera, which we want to check out as well. So we want to go ahead and unbox it, check out the chassis, the trackpad, the keyboard, and then we'll get into the internals, weigh it, and all that. And then I'll have some initial thoughts at the end. So let's get right into it. Boy, that looks really nice. Do you see how the light kind of glints off the, I guess the colored foil within the actual lid here of the laptop? That's kind of cool. All right, we'll set that off to the side. Go ahead and take out the paperwork, and we'll see what's in this compartment. This is the power brick and the cables that goes with it. And let's see if there's anything in here. I don't think that's anything really. Wasted space. Not sure why they do that, but okay. So this. Let's check out the propaganda here. Congratulations on your Asus purchase. Thank you very much. Looks like it talks a little bit about latest drivers and software download. G series. Gives us a little information on charging and opening the laptop and pressing the power button. Very informative. And then we got in search of incredible warranty card. So that is a lot of space in there for that. All right, let's check out the cable here. I like a long cable. My desk is kind of high up off the ground, and so if I get like a short cable, then the brick has to sit on top of the desktop or on top of the actual desk and takes up space. But that looks like a pretty good long cable. We'll see how long this one is here in just a minute. All right, let's go ahead and check out the power brick here. Looks like it's 240 watt power brick. Actually, that power brick feels really good too. I like it. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and get into the actual main event here. feels light. I'll look forward to weighing this, but as you can see, kind of how the light is glinting off the pores here. There's that foil underneath that's kind of giving this color, kind of pops a little bit. I don't know if you noticed this either. While I run my finger across the top of the lid, it is leaving these streaks here. I'll have to get a microfiber cloth and see if it wipes out pretty easily, but let's go ahead and open the lid here. Alright, looks pretty good. Let's check out the flex on the top of the lid here, and there is plenty of flex there. I don't know if you can see this or not, but there's a lot actually. I'm going to move that off to the side. Let's go ahead and check out the screen flex itself. Not much flex there. I bet there is just a little bit in the middle here, down below by the keyboard, right on top. There's a little bit. I don't know if you can see this or not, but the vents right here, as you lift the lid with one finger, you can see the vents kind of shoot out at the screen here. So I don't know if that's an issue or not. I'm going to speculate that it's not, but I just thought I'd throw it out there. Just something to be aware of. All right. Okay, let's check out the keyboard deck here. The keyboard deck has a different texture. Actually, it's got kind of this rubber feel to it. I don't know if I like that or not. I've seen it on other Asus products, but I guess it feels okay. It's just kind of, it's different. The keyboard itself, there's good key travel. The keyboard feels pretty decent. It's not my favorite, but it's okay. The trackpad itself, it's pretty smooth. Clicks all the way up to about here. But the keyboard has a little bit of flex too. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there is some flex there. Okay. And then we have our 720p camera and mic right there. Okay. You might be able to see it a little bit better. I'm going to go ahead and see if this comes off with my cloth here, and it does easily. Okay. Okay, let's check out the I/O on this laptop. We're going to start with the left-hand side here. And as you can see, we got some venting here. We have the power port, the HDMI, the Ethernet, USB-A, USB-C, and I think that one's the Thunderbolt, and then we have a USB-C display, and then a earphone mic combo jack. On the right-hand side, we have the mini SD slot and a USB-A, some more venting, Kensington lock, and then on the back here we just have some venting. On the bottom you have some grills here for air intake, and then a couple of speaker grills here as well. The laptop alone weighs 4 pounds, 9.6 ounces, and if you add the cable and the power brick, we're talking about 6 pounds, 2.8 ounces. Okay, before we take a look at the internals, I want to talk about the bottom plate first. Visibly, there are 10 screws, and the one here does not come out of the actual bottom plate itself, but it does help raise it up as you unscrew it. There are 3 right here that have these that are not visible, but they have these little rubber cappers on top of them, so you can't see them, and they are just a tad bit smaller than the rest of the screws the other 10. So just be aware of that. Alright, let's go ahead and check this out here. As you can see, it has 2 long rubber feet and then a couple other little ones here. Speaker grills fan grills like I said, and then the speaker grills, and they're outward facing and downward facing. Okay, set that off to the side here. So as we look at the internals here, the first thing that we see is the 90-watt battery, the 2 downward facing speakers, we have the 1 terabyte SSD that the laptop came with, and then it looks like we have an option here for a second SSD, smaller, the mini ones. And then we see the 2 fans, some dedicated heat pipes, and some shared to keep this laptop cool while playing AAA games. And then underneath here we have the 1 memory DIMM, which tells us that there is one soldered to the motherboard. So let's go ahead and take this out, and we're going to check that out here. Okay. Super. I think that covers it. We got the Wi-Fi 6E card. Looks like it is swappable. I think that's it. Okay. Asus ROG Zephyrus 16-inch gaming laptop. There are some things I like about this laptop, and there are some things I definitely do not like about it. I'm going to start with the things that I do like. I like the foil underneath the grids here. I guess it's a dot matrix type thing, and it kind of gives off this shiny glint just when the light hits it just right, and I think that's a cool effect. I like the trackpad. The keyboard was pretty decent. There is a little opportunity for upgrading, and then when you lift the screen up here, I don't know if you see this or not, but it does raise the bottom and the keyboard deck, and this raises up off the desk and makes it for better airflow. It has some decent I/O. I wasn't too fond of the mini SD slot. I wish it was a full SD slot. Talking about the internals again, yes, there was some opportunity for upgrading, but there is one memory DIMM that's soldered to the motherboard, and that is unfortunate. After doing just a little bit of gaming on this thing, I can already tell that the performance on this laptop is going to be really good. So I'm looking forward to getting the full benchmarking and gaming and bringing that to you as soon as possible. So look for that video. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to see more videos from Tech by Pike, hit the subscribe button. We appreciate it, helps the channel, and not only that, it gives us an opportunity to bring more videos like this to you. Not only that, it gives us an opportunity to get better as we go along, and for that, we thank you. We appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one.